How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for checking in. In today's episode, we've got a group about 30, maybe even 40 overland trucks exploring the trails of Tahuya ORV Park in Washington State. This is a group run that we put on every other month in collaboration with the Overland Truck Store. Everyone watching is welcome to come. In fact, the next one is going to be February 27th. If you missed the previous episode, make sure you check that out. My buddy Andrew brought an IFS rock crawling second-gen Toyota Tacoma. It was really impressive on the rocks. I'm also really excited to announce that we just hit 50,000 on Instagram. To celebrate, I'm going to be giving away a Jackery 1000. These power banks last forever, they're super durable, and I use them all the time, and I know that you guys would love to use one too. All you got to do is subscribe to Jackery's YouTube channel, and of course, follow along here on my channel. And I'd really appreciate it if you followed me on Instagram as well. So thank you so much. Thank you to all 50,000 of you that are following along on Instagram and watching here. I really appreciate it. And thank you to Jackery, the sponsor of today's video. If you don't want to wait around to see if you've won a Jackery box, you can click the link below. It'll take you straight to their store, and it does give me some credit, so I really appreciate it. This truck looks set up nicely. So that guy's got like the carbon fiber snorkel on there. That's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I've fallen 3 times trying to run ahead of everybody, give directions and orders and take pictures and video, and oh my god, I think I lost the group again. Not again! We've done it again! Oh, that's deep. Oh. Did a big group of Toyotas go through?
No, just one Land Cruiser is all I seen.
All right. Cool, they must have gone the wrong way. Thank you.
No problem.
They said they didn't see any trucks come, so I'm assuming they took the left way.
You wanna hop in?
They took the wrong line. You can't pull over any farther. Okay, so yeah, we made it back to the parking lot, but we don't see anybody else. So yet again, we lost the group. So if you come to these groups, I'm just gonna put it out there now. If you come to the group runs, anticipate getting abandoned. No. It's just really hard to keep up with everybody. You can't monitor the front and the back of the line at the same time.
5-7 that was running on it. There's like a cop went running by, and like literally the exact channel, I don't know how, they're like in pursuit, like on. I was like, oh shit, so I changed it to the 450. We're in like a
one thing we could do, we could go down the road and see if they come out that second entrance. But by going right,
probably gonna come here though.
By going right where they went, they're gonna get back into the whole system. They totally went the wrong direction.
Yeah, because that way just goes to the 2 bypasses. Yeah. Basically, those 2 hill climbs.
Yes, exactly. Why am I so nippy right now, Aaron?
Because you did blue steel earlier.
No, is that what it
You
is?
have 1 shirt on.
It's got 1,000 pounds of meat.
Yeah, there is.
I think you're noticing. Yeah, I think you're noticing that it's just stock full of man meat in here.
Man meat.
You got 1,000 pounds of men up in here.
I gotta cool it off now. Jeez, that was terrible.
Was that cheap from our group?
No. Have you ever been this way? Because I don't think I have.
I have. You can go this way.
Okay.
Didn't we come from this way? So go this way, and then there's these really cool hill climbs up to the left. Yeah. This is a challenging one because it pitches you up in the direction of that tree, but there's actually a ton of room. I actually got my Raptor through that spot, so it's not bad. I think Aaron just struggled. Aaron, I think it's just you, man. He just walked right through it.
I flipped him off and he goes,
Don't be nervous. Yeah, I say you go to the right one. Go down the right. He's like, F you, Max. Look at this weird thing. Why aren't we documenting any of these trails? It's fine, Aaron, you're gonna be fine. Yeah, I would say go left. He's got a lot more room for error if he goes left.
left. Should I film or just eat and watch?
Just eat.
Watch the show.
Just do your thing. Aaron has done a good job with his Tacoma. Like it's not overly built, and he hasn't like damaged it at all. He just snakes it through nice and easily. Keep going. Okay. Okay. He could really easily take his door out here because it's leaning in this way. It's pretty slick. Oh, your mud flap's doing something funny. Nothing, it's fine. It looks good. What's wrong with my mud flap? Sounded like a door panel. Yeah, you gotta come way up passenger. It's not bad. You won't flip. There you go. There you go. You're good. It feels freaky, but it doesn't look bad. Oh. See, this is the kind of stuff that I think is fun, but I wouldn't want to lead the whole group through.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like that would be hard for everybody. Unless they're down, let me know. I mean, I'm assuming everyone who's watching this, or everyone who came to the event is watching this video. So if you want to do the sketchier stuff like this, then let me know. But I mean, if you're just purely looking at like what your chances are, like chances are out of a group of 30 people, somebody's gonna break something.
Fuck yeah!
That's what I was worried about with that tree. You're
I didn't notice this until you pulled up to it. It leans out.
I think you got it. There it is. It's a really nice truck.
Yeah. Well, he's a little shorter. I think this is going to be easier for him. And he's got front and rear lock.
He's locked. You can tell he's locked right now with all that rubber. Yeah. It's not a huge traction issue. It's if you slide down this way.
Well, he's got momentum too. And he's a little short.
There we go. The shorter bed definitely helped. Yep. Oh! It's still going! No brakes!
There was a moment there.
Oh shit!
Is that not the scariest part of today?
Yeah, that was a little,
Jeez.
a little slick. It started to like shift.
Imagine if we brought the whole group, like all 30 rigs.
Yeah.
No, people would.
People would start, yeah.
It would take forever.
My slider.
I found you! Oh, there you are! Dude, I think you guys zigged when you should have zagged. If you stay left.
We were told to go right.
Who told you right?
You got the guy with the camera.
Oh, you can't trust anybody but me out here, okay? I know. So yeah, if you stayed left, it would have taken you right out to the parking lot. But if you go right, it like loops you back into the whole lot. So you go over the rocks typically, and everybody's rig here should be able to make it no problem.
Yeah, should, quote unquote.
Should-ish.
Once you're in and over, it's straight.
Yeah. Yeah.
Makes it real easy. Here you go. Come driver a little bit. Driver. There you go. All right, now straighten it out. Perfect. You're gonna get a little up on the driver's side. Slowly come down. Slow. Okay, you got about a 3-inch drop. Now come to the driver again.
Oh, he's got the Tahuya mod on his license plate.
Now straighten it out.
Dude, I love all the steam coming out of that. That's so sick looking. It looks like it's vaping.
Under got in the way and cut everyone off, so then they just went down the bypass.
This guy did it?
Yeah.
It was him that got us all lost?
That guy right there.
Hey! Hey! I'm gonna tell you something. You got cool stickers.
Got a real cool decal.
It is cool.
Pay money to get that video.
This video? Well, you'll see it on the YouTubes.
Well, I hope that.
Got some people airing up. Got some crackers. What's going on down here?
Air compressor stopped working.
Oh no. You know, I have a bed mounted compressor as well, and I always have problems with it. Too much water gets up and over into the inside.
Okay.
Shorts it out. Could be. I'm gonna give you a 5-second lead. Ready?
I will go with you.
Set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Go faster than that.
Super cat speed! Woo!
I suck at turning left. It's like
I'm not an ambi turner. I can't turn left.
Oh, so you're facing the right direction, the correct direction.
It's because I ride goofy. Oh, you son of a bitch! He crashed. We're taking the long way around. I still got him. These things are not perfected yet.
No.
I like